Ganda yung zoom mo eh.
Yan, may bus dito. Ito, ganito lang.
Lit, gusto ko lang sa cellphone ko.
May bus dito. Mag-interchange tayo bago tayo mag-fight para hindi na tayo maglalakad.
And then we're gonna go to a skating, and then we go. That smells like avocado, right?
That means do not go there.
Why? Yeah?
It's not allowed.
When don't go there.
Yeah, not allowed to go there. I
What?
don't know.
That one.
This one? I don't know.
What's that for?
The park is so beautiful. Wow, it's another park. Oh, look at the tree. Oh. Over there, it's a picture taking zone. Like this. We can have our snack.
You cover your mouth so that you cannot talk. Okay, dito. Okay, no? Yung pala, ano na, hanggang wala na, nalos na si Bito.
Oh, nalos na si Bito.
Lumaki na siya sa ibang magulang.
On the house. Oh, baanas.